In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair a broken screen on the FED3. Here I have a FED3 board. I've taken it out of the case, and if I turn it on, we see some kind of garbage on the screen. Sometimes, if I mess with the cable, I'll get some, I'll get some of the correct display, but something is wrong with either the screen or this cable are typically the things that can go wrong. The cable's very delicate, so tiny little damage in here can stop the signals from getting to the screen. So what we're going to do is replace just the screen, not the whole breakout board. If you get into unsoldering these and trying to remove the whole board, you'll find that it's pretty difficult. It is one approach, but it's kind of difficult. What I've found is much easier is just to remove the screen module and then swap it with another one off of a new display. So here I have a new display from Adafruit. I'll show you what I mean. So we can take this new display out of here. It's got some protective film on it that we can remove. And again, the two options would be to somehow sort of unsolder this one and replace it, and that would work, except I found it kind of challenging to unsolder these. The other approach I'm going to show you is just replace the screen on each, do a swap. These displays are about 25 bucks, so not nothing, but it's a fairly economical way to get your FED back in action. So the tool I'm going to use is a razor blade. And what we're going to do, this one doesn't matter, it's broken, so it's a little easier. We don't have to be that careful here. But this display is put on here with double-sided tape. And you can see I've done a little more damage to it just by removing it. We're going to be more careful on the other one, of course. So, harder than I thought. So we remove it. This connector is a little quick connector in here. You can flip it down and then just remove the display. Just pull it right out. It has a ribbon cable. So this one is garbage. So now we have to be careful and remove this one. And what I'm going to do is just kind of carefully try to pry it up. The idea here, of course, is not to bend it. It's glass and it will break. The idea is to kind of keep it flat, move the razor blade underneath it. Don't cut the ribbon cable, but that's it. Now it's loose. It's on here. If I open this connector, okay, open this connector, it will slide right out. So now I'm going to go to the FED. I'm going to push the ribbon cable in, just like that, and then close it. It should be in there pretty strongly. You can see that it already lights up. It's already working. I'm going to position it straight, try to make sure it's not crooked, and then just use the tape. And that's it. We've now kind of replaced the display on the FED3.